Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. If you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification and follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So in this video, I'm going to create this look. This is a simple nude glam makeup look. Nude looks are really so pretty and it looks very classy, very stunning, and it goes well with mostly all the outfits out there. Today I have used this palette. This is OXX gold palette, and this has 28 eyeshadow, and it's by OXX. You guys will see. Literally this palette is amazing. It's just $10 in Kmart, and it has such beautiful colors. Literally you guys should definitely try. If you have Kmart near your home, just go and grab this palette. Literally it has such good amazing shades, and uh so pretty shades, and this palette doesn't even has much fallouts. Dark shades a little bit has fallouts, but they are so pretty. This palette is definitely better than some of the very high-end palettes which is sold in Morphe and Sephora. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to create this look, how I have created this look, then keep on watching. So yeah, let's begin. First I'm going to do my brows. As always, I always start with my brows. So I'm using this brow pomade by Makeup Revolution. You guys know I use a lot of this product in my video because it's literally my favorite. Okay, now I'm using this Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium Moyen, and with this Morphe's concealer brush. So I'm going to try this product for the first time. I'm going to do my face makeup now. So I'm going to apply this Snow Mushroom Serum by Makeup Revolution. So it looks like this. I hope you guys can see it properly. So it's just a serum, and I don't know, I'm trying this for the first time. It just comes with a dropper. I'm just using it as a primer. Is very moisturizing, and it's really gives a flawless finish to the skin, I think, and it's really good. I'm trying for the first time. Literally my lips are so dry. Now I'm going to apply some foundation, and literally I love this foundation, 322 Warm Honey by Maybelline. It's matte poreless. In my last video I told you guys that I will tell you guys later about this product. So this product, after 10-20 minutes, it is so flawless on skin. I really liked it, and it lasts really long. And now I'm going to apply the same Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And Today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's Duo Contour Stick. So it's like this, you guys saw. I showed you guys in my whole video. This is the by Wet n Wild. So it has the highlighter stick one side and also contour the other side. It's really light. It says here it's in the shade light medium. It's not that good, but like it's okay. If you want a light finish, then it's okay. Just gonna be doing like this, and then I'm going to blend. So yeah, it's very light as you can see, but like it's really pretty. It gives a very good natural coverage, natural lightweight soft kind of coverage, so it's really good. So now I'm going to just set the concealer. So I'm going to use this banana powder by Ofra Cosmetic. And where's the brush? Okay. And also I'm going to apply this bronzer by Ofra Cosmetic, and this one is like this. And then I'm going to just apply this Australia's Flawless powder, and this is a pressed powder, oil and fragrance free. This is really good. It literally gives such a good flawless coverage, and I'm going to just apply like this to the rest of the face where I didn't apply the banana powder. Like this way the bronzer will blend really properly. And now I'm going to use a blush by Makeup Revolution, and like this palette is a hot spice palette, and it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 shades, and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. And also I'm going to now apply some highlighter. So this is by Becca, and it's Moonstone. And now I'm going to use this Rose Fizz by Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray. Okay, I'm going to do my eyes now, and for the eyes I'm going to use this OXX gold palette, and I only got this palette for $10. So look at it, it's literally wow. So I'm going to use a shade on my crease first, so I think I'm going to apply this on the crease. Okay, I'm using this shade Nude kind of brown on the crease area, and I'm taking this blending brush. It's really good, I bought from eBay. I'm taking this color, dark chocolate brown, on the outer part, and I'm using this blending brush by Elf Cosmetics. Okay, if you guys have Kaimat near you, definitely get this palette. Like, it's absolutely stunning. It's far more better than some of the very high-end palettes I have used. So I'm going to apply this one. This is kind of gold. OMG, this color is wow. I'm going to take more of this dark brown. This is the only color I like, so I'm going to apply more to this part. Now I'm going to take the first brush, the blending brush. I'm using this shade Nude, kind of brown. So first I'm going to line my waterline with this 901 black eyeliner by NYX. So I'm going to just apply to the waterline and a little bit bottom part. I'm just smudging with this BH Cosmetic pencil brush and like a little bit of this dark brown shade. Now I'm going to apply this Makeup Revolution's black pen liner. This liner is not that good, so I'm going to use my favorite black liner by Tarte. Okay, now I'm going to apply this Sephora Gold Glitter. I just love glitters, so I'm going to just apply this. I'm going to take a brush, like this is by Estee Lauder, and I'm going to just apply. Glitters are so good, like you can just wear in any season. Like, it's literally amazing. Like, these Sephora glitters are so good. I will definitely recommend this glitter, and like, this is it. Now I'm going to apply this lashes by Morphe. This is my favorite lashes, so you guys know this is Hollywood Hills, and with this favorite duo lash glue. Okay, as my lash glue is drying, I'm going to apply this volumizing mascara by Revlon. This is literally really good. Okay, this is how it will look without lashes, and like literally it looks really pretty without lashes, but it's all up to you if you want to apply lashes or not. But I'm going to apply, so I think my lash glue is dried, so I'm going to apply this, my favorite lashes. You can see like it makes a huge difference after wearing lashes. Oh my god, looks so pretty. So now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's lip liner. This one is chestnut, maroon, looks like this. I'm trying this liquid lipstick for the first time by Makeup Revolution, and this one is in shade Stripped. This is how the actual product look like. Literally so pretty nude. Okay, it's a matte lip gloss. Okay, it's drying, but I think I'm gonna be using a gloss on top later. So I'm going to use this small shader brush, and like it's by Zoeva, and I'm going to use this same highlighter by Becca. Okay, I'm using this dark wood lip liner, dark brown. My camera wasn't recording, oh my god, like literally I did apply Flatline by Colourpop, and like literally I have used in my other video. Looks like this. This is a gloss by Colourpop. So this is just a nude look, and for fall it's really pretty. I really like the way it turned out, and it's really so pretty. And let's see after opening the hair. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and like I literally love the outcome. Like it turned out so well, and literally it's such a good nude glam makeup look, and like it's wearable, and like you can wear for any occasion, any season. So yeah, if you guys liked it, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe below. Turn on the bell, and also follow me around social media. Links are below in the description box. And yeah, until next time, bye.